10 years ago, I sketched this house on paper. I built it, and after all that time, I don't think I'd change anything. Let me show you why. The woods behind the house is what drew us here, so from the beginning, the goal was to make the outside feel part of the home. That's why we put in an oversized window throughout the house and a 9-foot sliding door in the living room. No matter where you are, the light is coming in and something to look at beyond the walls. The layout came together around how we actually wanted to live. On one side of the house is the primary suite. Big windows looking out the back, a bathroom with a standing tub and tile shower, and one thing we ended up loving more than expected: laundry connected directly to the closet. Everything just flows together. The middle of the home is where life tends to happen. The kitchen, the living room open together so nobody feels separated. On the other side are the bedrooms where we brought our boys home. In between is a shared bathroom that gave everyone their own space while still feeling connected. Downstairs became its own part of the house over time. A large family room, workout room with plenty of storage, a fourth bedroom with a walk-in closet, full bath and a sauna became part of the everyday routine. And over the last 10 years, the outside changed too. The woods opened up, the views got better, and the property slowly started to feel less like a backyard and more like a park.
It's like getting my visible.
When I sketched this house out 10 years ago, the goal wasn't to build something impressive. It was to build something we'd enjoy living in. And honestly, after all this time, I don't think there's much I'd change. This is the house I built, and now it's for sale.